The darkFlash DY460 Gaming Case is a full tower design that offers an impressive 330-degree, full-view tempered glass display, perfect for showcasing your gaming rig's components and lighting. Equipped with 4 pre-installed ARGB PWM fans, this case ensures dynamic airflow and effective cooling, keeping your system running smoothly even during intense gaming sessions. Designed with a high airflow layout, the DY460 supports a 360mm radiator at the top and multiple fan mounts, making it suitable for both air-cooled and liquid-cooled configurations. This gaming case can accommodate the latest flagship GPUs up to 400mm in length, including the RTX 5090, providing ample space for high-performance hardware. A separate power supply unit chamber enhances airflow and system cooling, while the top-mounted I/O ports offer convenient access to USB-C and USB 3.0 connections. With a focus on cable management, the DY460 includes 34mm of rear cable routing space, ensuring a clean and efficient build.